Okay. Hi. We are all dressed now. And I thought it was time for some food. Do you think so? But I forgot the bib. My son is a superstar. Yes, your favorite part is the bib. It tastes so good. Yes, it does. Okay. Let's see. You remember how to do this. Kind of? Yeah. Mmm. Yeah. Does that taste good in your mouth? Maybe? You don't know if you want this or not, do you? More? Open up. Open up. Numbers. Numbers. Can you smile? Hi. Yeah, yum! 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 Okay. I think that's all the people want to see your disgusting food on your face. Catch you later.